guys, it's Justin Costello with Marinemax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. We got the nice light gray hull, chrome graphic package, 300 Mercury Verado on the transom. Perfect power package for this boat. Easy to drive, power steering. That new V8. Boat also equipped with fresh water. We got the freshwater shower right in the transom, 2 rod holders. Really great fishing boat and family boat. You see we have flip down the seat in the transom. That folds in, gives you plenty of space. Large live well on the aft. Tow rail right on each port and starboard side, so if you're fighting that big fish, stick your feet under there and it'll hold you in. It also has the upgraded helm seat. Pull this lever. Now the boat can transition to a rear-facing seat, yet still having bolsters. Someone driving forward so you can expand your seating. Got a full electronics package on this boat, including Fusion Bluetooth stereo, Raymarine VHF radio, Raymarine Axiom Pro 1000-watt sonar, GPS and fish finder. We also got the hardtop package on the boat. Taco Grand Slam 280 outriggers. Boat is ready to go here in South Florida. Your Marinemax is your Boston Whaler mega store. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. It's Justin Costello showing you a 2020 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage.